Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you render in Premiere Pro. So guys, to render in Premiere Pro, at first you need to select the video in Premiere Pro, just like I have selected one. Then after that, click the top left this file, click on file, and here you can see export. Click on export, and if you have media encoder, Adobe Media Encoder, you can send it to Adobe Media Encoder and it will be rendered from there. And if you don't have that, click on media, and after that here you can see the presets. You can select any presets you want from here. There are some favorite presets in my presets list. You can also select the presets from more presets. You can select from here system presets, custom presets, or you can search for any presets that you want. I'm going to select from here this one, and after that here you can see the file location where will be the file go through. You can just select the file location, just like selecting from here. Like if I select it here, I can select here, just like click on save, and it will be on that location. And after that, all you need to do is just click on export, and if you have media encoder, you can click it send to media encoder. So just click on export, and here you can see it is exporting, and it is exported to there. So guys, that's how you can render in Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video.